Vallox has redesigned its roof fan range. The Vallox Exxeo series consists of 7 fans with different air volumes. The most suitable model is chosen according to the required air volume, with the static pressure loss of 150 Pascal. The airflow of the smallest roof fan in the range, Vallox Exxeo 150, is 150 litres per second, while the air volume of the largest fan is 4,100 litres per second. Each size in the range features 3 models with different control methods. The versatile basic model, Vallox Exxeo, the dual-speed model, Vallox Exxeo DS designed for renovation projects, and the Vallox Exxeo DPC model, equipped with a differential pressure transmitter. Ease of use is common for them all. The control equipment is fully integrated and protected inside its box behind the maintenance door. The basic model and the DPC model feature a control panel with a display for setting the fan to standard speed or using 2-speed control. The fan may also be adjusted with a 0 to 10 volt control voltage. The control panel can be connected to the Modbus bus, and the on-off status and alarm information are relayed to an automation substation. The 2-speed model designed for replacing old roof fans is easy and safe to install. The cable from the distribution board is connected to a safety switch, and there is no need to do anything to the electrical cabling. Adjustments for speed control are made within the roof fan. Thanks to the sound attenuation elements, the Vallox Exxeo roof fans are considerably quieter than the older Vallox roof fans. Vallox Exxeo roof fans are tiltable, so that the fan can be turned to the side during maintenance. The standard delivery includes a mounting frame and an installed and cable safety switch. There is also a broad range of accessories available. Thanks to the zinc-magnesium coated steel enclosure, Vallox Exxeo roof fans are also suitable for demanding climate conditions. The perforated roof panels protects against leaves and other loose rubbish. Thanks to the unit structure, rainwater is led to the side of the unit, so the water cannot flow into the duct. Vallox Exxeo roof fans may also be painted in the factory, with a tone included in the RAL colour chart, for a perfect match with the colour of the roof, for instance. The Vallox Exxeo roof fans can be found in the MagicCAD Cloud product database, and they are available in the AutoCAD and Rivet software. In addition, the products can be found in the CADmatic HVAC software. The elegantly designed Vallox Exxeo range provides roof fan solution for any type of building.